Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello, traders, and it's been a long break now. Here I'm back doing the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started with the analysis. At first, let's take a look at the news we are having, and we are having a high impact news at 8:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious at this timing because the price could be really volatile and which is not ideal for a lower time frame trade. Now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart, and as we had anticipated before, the price moved down, and here we are having some kind of equal low in the price right now. Not much clear though, but let's move to the weeklies to see what do we have in there. As we move into the weekly, what we see is that the price kept on breaking the low of the candles, which means that the price is bearish in this organization zone or the congestion zone, you can call it. Let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, the picture becomes a little more clear, and as we had anticipated after the price started to move from here only, it almost moved 300 points, and this was our ultimate target that the price is going to mitigate this BPR level, but we have still not tapped it. So I'm anticipating that most likely we are going to come down even for today. So let's move to the 4 hours now. As we move into the 4 hour, what uh, is right here is that this area is already efficient, but this level is inefficient right now, and we can see that the price is failing to close below this level. Right now, I'm anticipating that the price will come up and mitigate this FVG level, and then only we are going to come down to mitigate this particular daily time frame BPR. So let's move to the 1 hours now. As we move into the 1 hour, what we see is that we are having this FVG, uh, and the price has not made any FVG within this leg except this one, which is already disrespected by the market. So I'm anticipating that most likely the price is going to come down, and then we are going to go up to mitigate this the 4 hour FVG. So let's move to the 30 minutes now. In the 30 minutes, what we see is that this area is already tapped by the market and it is mitigated. So most likely, I'll wait for the price to mitigate this level, and then we are going to see a reaction into the downward side, and then I'm going to put a short trade towards these equal lows sitting right above our BPR area. So let's move to the 15 minutes to go in little detail. So this is the session in the price. This is the CBDR session, and this is the Asia session. And what we can notice is this both session are having equal lows, which means that it has given the price a reason to come down and take these lows. So for today's buyers, I'm anticipating that more likely we are going to go up, take liquidity over here, go up, tap this level, and then come down towards this higher time frame BPR, that is daily BPR. Do write me into the comments that what are your bias and how are you seeing the market. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep trading.